Hi, I'm Guzman, Luxor's Chief Product Officer. At Luxor, we are all about making your mining operations more efficient and easier to manage. Today, we are excited to announce a powerful new integration between LuxOS, our flagship aftermarket firmware, and Foreman, the industry standard in mine management software. In this video, we will walk you through how through LuxOS, you can take full control of your mining operation, all within Foreman. Thanks to this new integration, Foreman users running LuxOS Firmware can now access all of the advanced features directly from the Foreman platform. If you're using Foreman, let's dive into what this means for you. First up, seamless installation. You can now install LuxOS directly from Foreman without leaving their platform. Just a few clicks and your fleet is ready to benefit from the full power of LuxOS, all without the hassle of switching between interfaces. This is great if you're running stock firmware or want to switch to LuxOS from another aftermarket firmware, all inside Foreman. Once your miners are installed with LuxOS, you'll have access to advanced features like Advanced Thermal Management, or ATM for short. With ATM, you can monitor and manage your miners' temperatures in real time, ensuring optimal performance and preventing costly overheating issues. Next, let's talk about AutoTuner. Foreman users running LuxOS can now automatically adjust their miners for peak efficiency and performance, tuning on the fly to react to changes in hash price or power conditions. No manual intervention needed, all done inside Foreman. With Luxor Firmware, you can set custom profiles directly through Foreman's app, allowing your miners to switch between efficiency and overclocking modes based on market trends. This flexibility helps you maximize profitability in any environment. And here's the big advantage. Foreman now offers deeper LuxOS integration as compared to any other third-party firmware. With LuxOS, you have access to all of the advanced tools and features you need to optimize your operation, all within Foreman. From temperature management to power control, LuxOS gives you complete command over your mining fleet. And thanks to our partnership with Foreman, you can now manage every aspect of your operation from one powerful platform. With LuxOS and Foreman, you're getting the best of both worlds. Supercharged firmware with unmatched mine management capabilities. It's a time to take your mining operation to the next level. Ready to get started? You can now log into your Foreman account today to install LuxOS and unlock all of the advanced mining features. For more information, visit luxor.tech or reach out to our team. Thank you.